Morning training. This is my fitness program. In 1 week, I was doing 4 days workout. Monday, mag-imo ko God squats 3 sets to God 8 to 10 reps. And then overhead press 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. And bent over rows 3 sets 8 to 10 reps. Tapos bicep curls 2 sets to 10 to 12 reps. Then on Wednesday, I was doing cardio 30 to 40 minutes, moderate, quad, and jogging, cycling, swimming. And then Friday, I was doing bench press, lat pull downs, triceps, and core exercise. For deadlift, 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps. And bench press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Lat pull downs, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Triceps extension, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. And then core exercise, 3 sets. And lastly, Saturday, I was doing 30 to 40 minutes of gentle yoga or stretching. I have 3 questions. What type of lifestyle do you have at present, and why did you choose this kind of lifestyle?
So I live a balanced and active lifestyle to stay healthy and fit.
Number 2, what was your turning point that made you realize to engage in physical activity, and what keeps you motivated?
So I started physical activity to improve my health, and seeing progress keep me motivated.
Number 3, as an exerciser or regular exerciser, what will you advise a person with no interest in engaging physical activity?
Find an activity, enjoy, and start slowly to make exercise a habit to improve their strength.
Thank you.